So today topic is Java naming conventions. Java naming convention is a rule as follow as you decide what to name your identifier such as class, packages, variable, function, method, etc. But it is not a force to follow. So it is known as convention, not a rule. These conventions are suggested by several Java communities such as Sun Microsystems and Netscape. All the classes, interfaces, packages, methods, and fields for Java programming language are given according to the Java naming convention. If you fail to follow, if you fail to follow all these convention, it may generate confusions or erroneous code. Advantages of naming convention in Java. By using standard Java naming conventions, you make your code is easier to the read yourself and other programmers. Readability of Java is very important. Naming convention of the different identifiers. We are follow next identifiers. Type of identifiers. Naming rules. Example. Close and should start with the uppercase letter. This is the class. Use support word instead button system thread etc. It should be a num such as color button system thread etc. Use appreciates word instead of acronymous public class employee. Interfaces it should start with the uppercase letter. Interfaces it should be an objective such as runnable code, runnable, remote applications etc. It should be an objective such as acronymous remote applications. Method is should start with lowercase letter. If the name contains multiple words, start with lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter such as action, force, and the curly braces, not curly braces, square brackets. Method. Variable it should start with lowercase letter such as id, name, etc. If the name contains multiple words, start it the lowercase letter followed by an uppercase letter such as first name, last name. Variable package. It should be a lowercase letter such as java.language. It is the package. If the name contains multiple words, it should be supported by dots such as java.util.language. Yes. So next we are going to constant. Like it should be the uppercase letter such as red, yellow in uppercase. If any contains if contain digits but not as the first letter class employee. Static, final, int. This is are the constant of the Java. Thank you.